In this video, we'll learn how to make a soothing and calming edible extract. If you'd like to learn how to make it, stay with us until the end of this video. Hello, I'm Riza Mofkuran, a pharmacist. And in this detailed video today, we're going to learn exactly how to make a soothing and calming herbal extract right at home. To make this specific extract, we will first need to gather 8 grams of dried lemon balm, 8 grams of gentle chamomile, and 4 grams of fragrant lavender. For our solvent, we need 70 milliliters of edible glycerin, along with 30 milliliters of either deionized or distilled water. As you can clearly see here, our final extraction ratio is exactly 1:5. That means we are going to use 20 grams of total herbs in this extract, combined with 100 milliliters of our prepared solvent liquid. If you would like to get more familiar with the general concept of extracts, various extraction methods, and everything you might need for making a high-quality extract, there are several other detailed videos available on this channel. It is definitely better to watch those introductory videos first before continuing with this specific one. To make this particular extract, first we carefully weigh the dry herbs with a scale, mix them all together, and then grind them in a grinder. Keep in mind that the herbs should not be ground into a very fine powder, because when we eventually add the liquid solvent, they will disperse too much. To start, we measure out exactly 8 grams of dried lemon balm. For the next step, we add 8 grams of chamomile and finally 4 grams of lavender into the mixture. Once we have measured out all of the fresh herbs, we then proceed to grind them down using the grinder. As you can see, these fresh herbs still need to be ground a little bit more. All right. Now our herbs are ready. Now we need to prepare our solvent. For the solvent, as we mentioned, use 70 milliliters of food-grade or plant-based glycerin, because industrial glycerin is also available on the market. Since our extract is edible, be sure to use this type of glycerin. And we use 30 milliliters of deionized water or distilled water. It is recommended that you avoid using mineral water or tap water, because the minerals found in these specific types of water can reduce the stability of the extract and also negatively impact the extraction of the plant's active ingredients. First, we carefully pour the water into the glycerin, mixing them thoroughly until well combined. And then we slowly and gradually add this liquid mixture into our prepared plant material to ensure that it is evenly distributed. Well, the steps for making our extract are now complete. As you clearly saw, we made a simple glycerin-based extract. You can also make an alcohol-based extract or a water-based extract. and we've prepared separate videos for each of these extracts that you can watch on the channel. One of the advantages of glycerin-based extracts compared to water-based extracts is that more of the plant's active compounds are extracted, and it's more suitable for people who don't want to use alcohol-based extracts. After we've finished making our extract, we need to store it for 4 weeks in a dark place away from direct sunlight, like a kitchen cabinet. And a very important point to remember is that you should take the extract out every single day and give it a good stir, so that the beneficial active compounds of the plants are fully released into the solvents. Be sure to clearly write down the name of the extract and the date you made it on a label before placing the jar away in the cabinet, because after 4 weeks you will likely forget and won't remember that you need to strain the liquid. I actually prepared this specific herbal extract about 4 weeks ago to ensure it reached full potency. This is the exact same calming extract we have been discussing. Now that it has sat for a month, we finally need to strain it properly. You can easily use a clean cloth strainer or a fine muslin bag to complete the entire straining process effectively. The 3 specific herbs we utilized in this extract, lemon balm, lavender, and chamomile, are all highly effective for reducing stress, helping to significantly improve sleep quality and gently soothing away the tensions of our daily lives. If you would like to try this, you can take this extract 3 times throughout the day. 3 tablespoons each time, either on its own or by adding 10 milliliters of the extract to your favorite herbal tea each and every night, and using it in that particular way.